Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. So if you're new here, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's just get on with my day. For starters, I obviously went to Starbucks this morning. I went to the gym. I just went for like 45 minutes, but this is my Starbucks order. This time I actually got an iced caramel macchiato with almond milk and sweet cream cold foam on the top, even though it's already melted halfway. It's super hot here, but that's usually my second go-to order. My go-to order is actually a tall iced white chocolate mocha with a pump of hazelnut and sweet cream cold foam as well. But yeah, that's just a great start to my day. So I'm gonna actually go to grandma's house right now, so see you guys over there. So guys, it's been a really boring Saturday so far. All I've done is just do laundry and watch YouTube videos all day because there's literally not much to do. I just got ready. Here's a little outfit check, just some shorts. I think they're from H&M, and then this shirt is from Shein, and I literally only have just like dirty Air Force Ones. But I just got a little ready because I'm probably just gonna go out to dinner or IKEA or Dave & Buster's. One of those three, or all of three. Hopefully I'll also end up going for some drinks with some friends during the night, but that's still pending, so I'll let you guys know. So I actually collect things that are Coca-Cola themed. I've been collecting them for a bunch of years now, and these are just some of the things that I have as of now for my collection. And right now I just currently have them in this 5-tier shelf. 5, is it 5? Yeah. And currently I'm just gonna clean it because it's pretty dusty, as you can see. I mean, the windows just got redone, so. Okay, so this is the final result. I just put those metal prints on the top of the shelf. Then when we go to the first shelf, we have 2 Coca-Cola Funko Pops that they were gifted to me, a glass. I have this really pretty but doesn't really work clock. I think that's like a piggy bank, but in the shape of a vending machine. I also have these 3 prints on the back, 2 glasses. I actually got this bottle in my most recent thrift store find, as well as well as this wax candle. It doesn't really smell like anything, but I just thought that it was funny and cute. Then moving on to the third one, this one's pretty empty. I think I'm gonna put something over here, but I just have like vintage Coca-Cola cars. And then I have this small little tray. I'm pretty sure it says the date. A 1907 ad that was used on trolley cars. Here I have some bottles. Then moving on to the fourth shelf, I actually got this as well in my last thrift store find. This is just an old calendar, some more bottles. You know, I have the Puerto Rican one and the St. Thomas one. And then I just have like these bins, I guess you can call them, like these buckets, these ice buckets that are Coke themed. I don't know why I have two, but yeah. Inside of them I just have like random Coca-Cola tumblers. And here's an overall view of how's it looking. I'm planning on getting like a neon sign and putting it maybe here, cover that up. But yeah, maybe putting a neon sign here. Or I'm planning on putting the neon sign over here. It's a blank space. We have to paint this little corner here because it just got redone, but yeah. This, I think this is from Walmart, and then these two chairs are from IKEA. The little table is also from IKEA. But yeah, what do you guys think? I don't know if to put the neon sign here or on the other side. So I've been wanting to redo my room for a bit now. The first thing I got was actually this IKEA bed frame. I'll pop it on the screen so you guys know which one it is. But the next thing I wanted to do was actually switch out where I have my bed and then put it on this wall where I currently have like this cube dresser thing holding my TV. So I was actually planning on getting rid of that or probably moving it to another room and then having the bed go there. And then I want to put 3 Malm dressers here. I'll pop it on the screen as well so you guys know what they are. I already got them in IKEA, but hopefully they'll fit just fine. I'm planning on like putting them like all 3 together. I'll show you guys the inspiration picture I got from Pinterest. So it's actually 7:30 in the morning. I'm actually a little bit late for work, but I ended up emptying out the shelving unit yesterday. So I'll let you guys know how the process looks. My roommate is actually gonna help me build drawers, so I'll let you guys know. This is how it's looking. As you can see, it's completely empty, so it's easy to move around. And of course I have to paint those scraps on the wall because when they changed the windows in this house, well, all of this came out. And then these are the drawers. Like I said, I got the Malm drawers that have 3 drawers in them. I just bought 3 of them so I can put them together and hopefully make like a whole media console, but not actually a media console. But my TV is going to sit on top of this, so again, it'll double as a media console but as storage as well. So this is how the 3 Malm dressers ended up looking when they're like right next to each other. I think it fills up the space really nicely. I still don't know what to do with that shelf unit over there. I'm still probably just gonna take it out. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think I should put like a 4th Malm dresser here or leave it at 3? Because I think right now a bunch of my clothes are gonna fit here, but I don't know. I have to see and test it out. But yeah, these drawers are actually pretty deep, so I think with 3 of these will do. But